Moving can be very stressful and you might forget some things. So make sure before you leave your house, as many of you are going to be facing a pretty long drive, to have your phone and your wallet. I say that because I forgot my wallet on move-in day, and when I went to go get a Vic card at Harris Teeter, which is super helpful if you ever need groceries, my parents couldn't get me one because I didn't have my ID on me. So those are some important things to remember. Anything else?
Yeah, I would also say bring your chargers. I know one of the main things I forgot was actually my phone charger. So you want to stay connected with your family. So be sure to bring that with you and just make sure you have everything, your laptop chargers, every charger that you possibly need to be successful here at C&U. But if you do, for some reason, we have so many stores that are within a 10 to 15 minute distance. So don't have to stress about it. We have tons of stores that are close by that you can easily grab the things you need if you do forget some stuff.
Yeah. And if this video is obviously not comprehensive, so if you need some extra details, you should go to the ResLife website and see our handbook and our recommended items to bring for move-in.